Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yeah, I'm doing another comparison video. Yes, so this comparison video is comparison between what Reginae was singing to Lucci opposed to what she sings to ARMON'S. But first, before I get started with this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right. Thank you, everybody, for watching my last video. I really appreciate it. Let's get started with this comparison video. All right. So let me set y'all up for the scene. When Reginae was with Lucci, she was on vacation with him in Miami, and she went live while she was in a hotel. He is in the background playing a video game. Reginae is sitting at like the little desk they have in the hotel. She propped her phone up and she's on her live and she is singing to Lucci. Now, if everybody isn't familiar, her and Lucci was together 2 or 3 years, maybe 2 or 3 years. So they've been broken up for about a year. As of today, they've been broken up for about a year and some change. So let's get started with this reaction video to what she says to Lucci opposed to what she sings to ARMON'S.
Still can't explain how I can still love you like I do, but I do. Yes, I do. I can't believe you.
Okay, y'all, listen. When Reginae turned and sang to him, I had to cut it off because he kind of like sensually grabs her neck. But I think he really wanted her to stop singing because he was picking up on the vibes. Like he picking up like every time it's the part of the song that expresses the way you feel, she was turning to Lucci singing to him. So let me rewind that. That might have went over y'all head. That's what she doing. So if you notice, I don't know if you know this song or not, but every time she again heard that part of the song that really like you be feeling, she turned to him and she sings to him. He was picking up on a vibe, so he kind of like turned around. I don't know if he told her to shut up or what, but he turned around and kind of like sensually grabs her neck. I edited that part out because I just thought that was a little bit too much. So let me just rewind it so you can just see what I'm talking about. It's the side eye for me, Reginae. It's the side eye for me. You could tell that she was fed up with Lucci shit.
Still can't explain how I can still love you like I do, but I do. Yes, I do. I can't believe.
All right, so y'all see that? Reginae was in her bag with the song. So she's starting to feel it. And he's starting to catch the vibe. Like, every time it gets to a certain part, she turning around and she's singing that to me. So that's when he tell her, like, to calm down, shut up, whatever he said to her. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't there. I just edited that part out because it was a little bit too much. But pick up her vibe. The way she's singing to Lucci. A lot of people say, like, when I get up on my Instagram and I sing a certain song, I get all kind of DMs. Like, who you mad at? Who you singing to? So I ain't gonna say all the time, but people try to read between the lines when you get up on Instagram, social media, and sing certain songs. Or if you sing certain songs to your man in the car and he catch the vibe, most of the time, whatever the words are in the song, not all the time, but most of the time, if you feeling it a little bit too much, it be like you want the song to express what you feeling because you might not can express it. So the way this song is saying, I don't know if y'all caught the words, but let me just let it keep playing on. Y'all can catch the next words.
If you got the nerve to still call me baby.
You got the nerve to still call me baby. After all the shit you put me through. That's what the song say. If y'all didn't catch that. So now he catching the vibe again. Okay, so listen. I mean, that song that she was singing to Lucci is a straight heartbreak song. It wasn't nothing happy about that song. You've been putting me through stuff. You got the nerve to still call me baby. And she was pretty much fed up with Lucci, but she couldn't express it in words. So sometimes we do sing songs to express ourselves in a song. All right, fast forward. Reginae is now dating Armon. She is in her happy space. Back then, she was singing a dark, deep song to Lucci. She's in her happy space. This is the song she's singing to Armon.
No. That was all right. There's a meeting in my... So boy, please don't be late.
Baby. Reginae is telling Armon, it's a meeting in my bedroom and don't be late. That's how she, I don't know if that's how she feel, but that's what she's singing to him. So, look how she's singing it to him. Do you hear what Nene is seducing him with the song? And Armon is just laughing because she is trying her hardest to sing. And it don't sound bad, to be honest. But he just, you know, singers are going to be critical anyway on if you don't know how to sing. So that's why he's laughing. But this is for you to know how she feel about Armon. This is the song that she's singing.
A tornado flew around the room before you came. Excuse.
That's a love song. It ain't no I hate you, you this, you that. These are both love songs that she's singing to Armon.
The mess it made usually doesn't rain in Southern California much like Arizona. Come on now, man. Get up close to the camera. They can't see you. Come on. I'm thinking about you. Oh, no, no.
I'm thinking about you. Ooh, nah, 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 nah. It wasn't none of that going on in Lucci's song. Lucci's song was, you hurt my feelings, you hurt my heart, you still want me to be around you, you still call me baby after all that. Reginae loving songs was Meet Me in the Bedroom, which is a love language, and I'm Thinking About You, which is also another love language. So in a way, you are supposed to, and I'm not saying all the time, but listen to the songs that people sing to their boyfriends. Either in the car, you want it to be random so he don't catch on to it. But most of the time, men catch on to it because, like I said, usually when I get up there and start doing car karaoke songs, they're like, what you singing that for? Even though I just be singing songs. They ain't got necessarily to do with nobody that I'm mad about. But I'm saying songs do sometimes pick up a vibe for you.
Come on. She's singing the 432 hertz, y'all.
What the hell is 432 hertz? Somebody tell me what that is.
All right. Here you are. Come on.
Okay, so she ended it there. So listen. Reginae was fed up with Lucci, y'all. She was singing him breakup songs. She tired of his ass. You still call me baby. He was catching the vibe. And it was just, it just wasn't, it was like almost disturbing to watch, to be honest. You know, especially when he turned and grabbed her or whatever he did. I just didn't like the whole little scene. And this scene is refreshing. Armon is making a beat with it. Reginae is harmonizing with the song. It's just a good energy from the song that she's singing to Armon compared to the song she was just singing to Lucci. I felt like she was in a dark space and she was just trying to express herself through music by playing that song right there. Like, they young. She playing an old school song, but it's expressing to him how she's feeling. All right, y'all. How y'all feel about this comparison? Are we happy that Reginae got, of course we all are happy Reginae got out of that dark spot with Lucci. And I hope she continue to sing love songs to Armon, and Armon keep singing love songs to her. Their relationship is refreshing, it's new, it's full of love, joy, happiness, peace, all that stuff. And I'm just happy for them, and I just can't wait to see more content from them and what the future holds for them. All right, thank you all for watching. Let me know what y'all feel about it in the comments. I'm going to meet y'all down there. And hecky no, Joe is Beauty Passion, and I'm out.